Time to go for the triangle. 3 shots. I tried to go higher on that last one. I actually did it. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Now for the 3 and the 5. That's pretty low. Let's go out a little further since it's so low. $15 yards. A little past 15. Not that good. I tried to aim a little bit above it and I went way too far. And as you can see, I missed those other 2. So let's try that again at the 15 yards. And let's try it again. 15 yards. Number 3. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Look at there. All 3. Nice. Now for 5. You know what? I'm just going to do that scatter shot up close.